Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get the music badge on YouTube using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you are logged in your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right of your screen. Then go to your channel and tap the settings icon and look for badges or YouTube Studio options. This is where YouTube shows available badges and achievements. To own the music badge, you need to watch music videos like songs and create playlists. The more you engage with music content, the faster you unlock the badge. You can check your progress under the badges section in your profile. You will see how close you are to unlocking the music badge. Keep exploring different music videos, subscribe to music channels and like the song. Once you reach the required activity, YouTube will automatically award you the music badge, and that's it. Getting the music badge on YouTube is all about engaging with music content regularly. Watch, like, and create playlists to earn it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.